Hello everyone! I'm going to show you an example of how to use synthetic division to divide two polynomials. Let's begin. How do we know when to use synthetic division? First of all, we have to identify the divisor and make sure that it has degree 1. Also, I suggest that only use synthetic division when we have the polynomial of the form x plus something. Okay, so either x plus something or x minus something. If it is not that way, then I strongly recommend to use long division. For me, it's easier to use long division in any other form. So when using synthetic division, what do? We're going to write, I'm going to write like a template here. So I'm going to write a space here, a long line here, and another space here, like forming a box. And here, I'm going to write the coefficients of the dividend. First, I have to make sure that it's in order in terms of the degree. This is a polynomial of degree 3. So here we have it in order. We have 3, 2, 1, and the constant. If I were to miss any terms in the middle, I just write a 0 to make this place. So the coefficients here are 2, negative 13, 26, and negative 24. And I write it down here. So we have 2, negative 13, 26, and the negative 24, I'm going to make sure that it's in line with this last box that I drew here. And what am I going to have here? I'm going to have the number that makes this polynomial 0. In other words, the opposite of the number that I have here. The number that makes this polynomial 0 is 4, because 4 minus 4 is 0. In other words, if I have x minus 4, I have a minus 4, then I'm going to have here a positive 4. It's like the opposite of what I have. After I have written down all the information that I need, then I'm going to proceed with the synthetic division. So the first step, I'm going to take the first number here, and I'm going to write it down, and then I'm going to multiply and add, So I'm going to multiply here, and then what I write down here, I'm going to add. Then multiply and add, okay? So 2 times 4 is 8. I'm going to add this 2. So negative 13 plus 8, which is going to be negative 5. And then I multiply. So it's going to be negative 5 times 4, which is negative 20. And then I add. This is 26 plus negative 20, which is the same as 26 minus 20. I have 6. I repeat the process. 6 times 4, which is 24. And then I add. And I have that the remainder is going to be 0. So how do I write the result? These numbers here are going to be the coefficients of the quotient. And I'm going to start with the 2 and 1 degree, and the degree is going to be one number less than the degree of the dividend. So this was of degree 3. I'm going to start here with a square polynomial. So I'm going to start to 2x squared minus 5x plus 6. And the remainder, that in this case, is going to be 0. So I can write it as 0 over x minus 4. This doesn't need to be 0. It can be any real number. So we just write the real number here over the divisor, and then we have the format of the resulting division. And there we go.